Cotelec is the French platform for electronic component testing. Whether your products find their place in homes or factories, beneath the ground or orbiting the Earth, whether they save lives or push the boundaries of technology, we've got the perfect connection for you. Test probes are essential tools in the examination of electrical and electronic components and assemblies, including items like printed circuit boards, wire harnesses, and plug connectors. These spring-loaded test probes all share a common feature: a spring-loaded plunger mechanism designed to measure electrical currents, complete with a recommended working stroke. Our full range of test probe products can also be conveniently accessed through our website. 8 test probes. Our 8 test probes are specially designed for use in manual test jigs or automated test equipment, 8, often referred to as the bed of nails. These probes come in both single and two-part styles, offering a diverse range of head options. Simply glue or solder them to the equipment bed and then attach the test cable to the rear end for seamless testing. Cotelec provides customers with an unparalleled array of spring-loaded test probes. These distinct series primarily differentiate themselves in terms of material composition, tip styles and diameters, spring forces, and installation conditions. Our test probes are distinguished by the exceptional quality of their constituent parts, combined with precision and durability in their application. As a partner in electronics production, we merge expert knowledge with the capability to execute it, all while maintaining a global presence. What is a spring test probe? Spring contact test probes serve the crucial purpose of establishing connections with various test points on printed circuit boards, PCBs, components, and wiring fields. In specialized test modules, these probes can also be employed to test connector cable systems, ensuring the reliability of electronic systems. When it comes to making contact with lead-free solder pads or highly contaminated PCBs, our high progressive range of ATE probes comes to the rescue. These advanced probes not only penetrate thick residues but also boast an extended lifespan, ensuring sustained reliability throughout their usage cycle. Numerous tip styles can serve multiple applications, and the test point's characteristics can vary based on factors like size and surface condition, whether oxidized, clean, or possibly tainted by soldering residue. Depending on the device under test, DUT, and testing conditions, experimenting with various tip styles and spring forces may be necessary to pinpoint the ideal combination and, consequently, the correct test probe. Typically, spring-loaded test probes comprise 3 distinct components. These components must be produced with the same precision demanded, especially for items like printed circuit boards. The most prominent element, visible to users, is the plunger, which sports various tip styles for contacting the test point. It plays a pivotal role in ensuring minimal contact resistance between the probe and the DUT, enabling accurate measurement of electrical currents without distortion. Plungers are typically crafted from hardened steel, beryllium copper, cube, or brass for passive tip styles. In the realm of electronics, thorough testing is a necessity. Test probes are the go-to tools for assessing the functionality of electronic components within the industry. While ICT, in-circuit test probes are employed to examine individual components, FCT, functional test, probes take on the responsibility of evaluating entire assemblies. With a wide selection of series and head styles, ranging from 50 mil to 100 mil centers, these probes find extensive application in in-circuit test fixtures and functional test fixtures, as well as test jigs. High current testing, batteries, high current testing, EV connectors, in-circuit and functional testing, radio frequency measurements and connectors. For any information, please contact Cotelec.